What a car just arrived in. It is absolutely fabulous. Direct in of a very fastidious local owner, a retired gentleman who really has cherished this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. BMW X6 XDrive 40d M Sport automatic, finished in this absolutely stunning pearl mineral white. Many £1,000s worth of factory fitted options. It is gorgeous. Registered in January 2019. The gentleman bought it when it was about 11 months old. Can you believe this car was over £100,000 new? Yep, over £100,000 new. Makes it an incredible value for money with just 25,000 miles, full service history, in this absolutely outstanding condition. Let's take you all the way around it, give you a full close-up of how nice this car really is. Absolutely love this colour, mineral pearl white. This of course has the full red Dakota leather, which does really stand out. Beautiful combination, as many of you know who've watched other videos with the red leather that I've done over the years. It's got the electric tailgate, lots of space there, massive boot. Just look at that gorgeous red, coral red, full leather. Bit more of that shortly, but in the meanwhile, look at that huge boot, lots of space there. Additional storage just under there. Massive space there, you can carry almost anything in there. Look at that, even more storage there. This one's got the full deployable electric Towbar factory fitted. Nicely hides away. Look at that colour there, just catch your sun onto it. Just shimmering away. It's also got the black carbon trim, just finishing the car off very nicely. Of course, nice twin exhaust at the back. The Towbar just straightforward, just the trim just comes down, press the little button there, and hey presto, just pops out full electric. Nice and easy. Press the button, back again. All the loading area lovely and clean, no damage to that. Of course, easy to close, press the button and you're away. Just look at it. Great looking car. The coupe shape. All the bodywork is almost perfect. It really is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. Again, a bit more black accent there, just a nice black and white trim there. All the wheels. In great condition. This is how the car came in. None of the wheels have been refurbished. Plenty of tread on the tyres. All the bodywork. No dents, no scuffs, no scratches, no dings. Got the black roof rails. Nice touch with the M Sport badge. And just to remind everybody what it is, XDrive 40d. 308 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds. And again, the close-up of the wheels, as you can see, all in great condition. Again, the front tyre, plenty of tread on that. And this is why I do the videos, to give you a full feel for what the car is like. Again, nice carbon trim across the front. Full close-up across there. Headlight power washers. Of course, LED headlights. All lovely and clean. No scratches, scrapes. Of course 2019, the odd stone chip will be on the vehicle. We don't claim to sell perfect cars, but almost there. Again, across the bonnet, lovely and clean. Offside front tyre, and again the wheel, as you can see, undamaged. All down the sides, absolutely beautiful all around. Rear privacy glass, and again the final wheel. And again the tread, plenty of tread on the left on that. And just look at that, beautiful red leather. All the entry points lovely and clean, no scrapes, scratches on the trims or the paintwork. Just beautiful leather. If we had smell-o-vision, you can smell the leather. Rear centre armrest, cup holders in there, additional storage in there. Lovely attention to detail. Just look at that condition. You would think it was brand new. Again, the driver's door trim, additional storage there, electric windows, electric mirrors. It's got the upgraded Harman Kardon sound system. Again, all the entry points lovely and clean. Electric seats with memory, front sport seats, you can adjust those just under your legs. All the upholstery, all undamaged. Great condition. Just look at that combination, absolutely stunning. What a car. Of course, XDrive is 4-wheel drive, 3 litre inline straight 6-cylinder engine, and there's the mileage, 25,110. That's just on 25,110. Full service history, very low mileage for his age. Of course, paddle shift gear change, cruise control speed limiter, various stereo controls, the Bluetooth control.
Navigation. Say a menu option. For example, map or enter destination.
Map.
So there we have it, the voice activation, which again just makes it safe to drive. You can carry out various commands, including using the Bluetooth phone or changing stations, or of course navigation. So nice and easy. Got the menu to get the map as you want it, full screen map. All the vehicle details, or the onboard computer. Personalise the vehicle however you want it. There it is, all the tick boxes, full service history on there. So all the history all logged onto the system, but we also have the invoice printouts as well to prove all the service history on the vehicle. Nice big clear screen. Of course, DAB radio, CD system, Bluetooth phone, Just scroll through all the stations. All the stations just show up nice on the clear dashboard. Great sound system, as I mentioned. You've got the Harman Kardon stereo system.
The world's greatest music. Classic ever.
Dual zone climate control, heated seats. You've also got rear outer heated seats as well. Electrical adjustable for the steering column to get it exactly perfect, and heated steering wheel as well. Of course, reverse camera. Adjustable sport suspension. So that shows up on the dashboard in front of you. Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, Eco. Of course, you've got the big screen for the camera if you wanted to have the bigger screen showing all the way around. All control from there. All the rest of the menu is controlled from there. You've got your navigation, Bluetooth, media, everything on there, nice and easy. Center armrest, USB aux input. Lane assist. Folding mirrors. So there we have it, our absolutely incredible X6 in outstanding condition. As I mentioned, it's got the tow bar, it's got surround view, rear heated seats as well, some protection, speed limit display, Apple CarPlay preparation, heated steering wheel, online entertainment, and the list just goes on and on. Of course, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator and work out your full HP or PCP deal with low deposits, low monthly payments. You can apply direct off our website. Remember, you can click and reserve this car 24/7 out of our website. If you fancy it 2 o'clock in the morning, simply click and reserve, knowing that nobody else is going to beat you to this car. And remember our full money back guarantee. If you click and reserve and come to collect the vehicle and you feel the car is not as described, we'll happily refund your deposit, no questions asked. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, so click and collect or ask about our home delivery. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. This has to be one of the best examples, if not the best example for sale in the country. The car speaks for itself. It really is absolutely outstanding. If you require a more personalised video of any aspects that we may have missed on the main video, please feel free to give us a call or email us, and we'll happily send you a more personalised videos of any close-ups that you require. Any further information, the phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.